Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're just going to clean, shine, and protect our stainless steel sink with the Hope's Perfect Sink Cleaner and Polish. So what we're going to do is take some of this Hope's Perfect Sink Polish and place it on our Scott Blue shop towel. Then we're just going to rub it in to this stainless steel sink until it's as dark as possible. Then we're just going to rinse with some soapy water that I got from the Dawn Dish soap and placing it on our Scott Blue shop towel. And then to finish up, I'm just going to grab another Scott Blue shop towel to dry the sink to reveal a brilliant, shiny finish. Hope's Perfect Sink is designed to scrub like a cleaner, but finish more like a fine polish. It helps remove stains, water spots, and light rust marks, while leaving behind a brighter shine and a water-repelling barrier. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box, and have a wonderful day.